Hi, my name is Rob Swank. This is a presentation for my final presentation for my COMM 130-09 class for the winter of 2018. Why I chose this ad, um, I had searched a lot and looking for about a half a dozen different options, and came into my research. It's basically trying to find a complementing picture, something that would work well to complement the ads that I was looking at the time. When I finally came down to my initial concept, the initial ad, it is for the United Nations. It is for the Environmental Project Program. Let me bring that up here. And the project is Let's Stop Global Warming, and the ad is Melting Icebergs Lead to Sinking Skylines. The target audience is each of us, but generally it's set for teens through adults, probably middle class, to help them consider how we're striving to take care of our planet. The original ad gives a simplistic but dynamic statement in one shot and a short, to-the-point phrase. Initial layout, it has cool colors with strong, bright blues in the background with white ice in the foreground. It is a screenshot of open blue water with a clear, deep blue sea with distant, lighter blue skyline giving a stark blue openness where the sky and the water meet. Then, up close, are the icicles hanging down over the top, giving a focal point which moves your eyes down to that open of the skyline. In the bottom right corner is a complex logo that adds to the weight of the statement given in the short, simple phrase. The logo is actually complex and busy. In the middle of it is the UNEP logo, smartly surrounded by an orange life preserver with Let's Stop Global Warming stenciled in white in all caps around the preserver. Then, to the left of the logo is the all-important tagline that pulls the simplistic ad together and makes the reader think and cinches this wonderful ad. This is actually the hardest part of making my new ad, was developing a like logo by reverse engineering it. This took quite a bit of time. On typology, there's very little text. What there is in a serif font in all caps. The font is in white on both the logo and the tagline. The tagline is unique, as it is tilted and stressed, stating melting icebergs lead to sinking skylines, with the lower right bottom of the tagline giving to look like it's sinking into the water. In researching this ad, I found discussions by people seeing a reflection of a cityscape in the reflection on the ice. I'm not seeing any of that in the reflection, but it does add to the mystique of this wonderful ad. In my research for the new ad, which I'll pull up here, I knew I could not take on such a wonderful ad like this without finding a free picture that would do justice to such a wonderful ad. I was on the hunt for another shot and that would speak to this, and I spent many hours searching the internet for pictures that might go with all of my slide projects at the time. I found many wonderful pictures, but finally found that shot that would feel good about comparing to such a wonderful ad as this one. I started out with a draft version, and I'll pull that up here for you. That had a wedding couple sitting on the dock, dreaming of their bright futures. And then next to it, I had the man standing on the dock that's flooded, looking out over the ocean. My goal at the time was to try to pull together the two, where the young couple are looking at their bright future, and in this other shot is years later, him standing on the same or similar dock, seeing the water line flood where he used to sit at one time with his wife. I was really having a hard time pulling together that part of the concept without adding more verbiage, and I wanted to stick with the simplistic waterline as we had before. So at the time, I put the ad out to my peers and in the draft form, and they confirmed my concerns about not really being able to, people understanding what the reason for the two pictures side by side were. So I ended up going back to just the single picture of the man standing on the dock. I centered the dock on the corners to give it that look down and far away. This set the scene with the man standing out on the flooded dock with a new logo and a catchphrase. The global warming leads to higher water lines. The new logo and the tagline were put in similar locations to the original ad. The dock lines stretching out from the lower corners of the dock give it that faraway look and a similar feel to the original ad. In conclusion, I feel grateful for MBLAST to be able to find such a picture that I used. This ad, I feel, complements the initial ad very well. It is one of those rare shots that is able to pull off that picture that states 1,000 words. An ad that can grab the readers and get them to stop and reflect on our environment, and to take a second to take a deep thoughts on how our choices will reflect on our future of our planet. Thank you very much.